At number 1, we have the Veitron glass teapot. Crafted from premium borosilicate glass, it's built to last and safe for direct stovetop use. The removable glass infuser makes steeping loose-leaf tea a simple, elegant process. With its ergonomic wooden handle, it's designed for both beauty and comfort, elevating your daily ritual. Experience the perfect blend of durability and elegance. This is the Veitron glass teapot.
At number 2, we have the Laudlife food warming mat. It's a flexible, foldable solution for keeping meals warm. Made from premium food-grade silicone, it's easy to store and compatible with all your cookware. It offers full-surface heating in seconds and multiple adjustable temperature settings to maintain the ideal serving temperature for any food. Safety features like a child lock and automatic shutoff provide peace of mind during extended use. It's perfect for everything from family dinners and parties to warming baby bottles and proofing dough. With an oil-resistant and waterproof surface, cleanup is a breeze. Serve hot.
At number 3, we have the MUXIUNT microwave potato cooker. This cooker is designed to deliver perfectly cooked baked potatoes in as little as 5 minutes using advanced steam lock technology. By trapping moisture inside, it creates fluffy interiors while maintaining tender skins, preserving flavor and nutrients. Unlike traditional methods, it prevents potatoes from becoming dry or rubbery. The compact design fits easily into any microwave and requires minimal cleanup. Its reusable construction is also an eco-friendly alternative to disposable bags. It also works well for sweet potatoes, corn, and other vegetables. It's ideal for busy households looking for fast, restaurant-quality results without the long baking time.
At number 4, we have the TrendPlain glass olive oil sprayer. Unlock healthier cooking with a simple press. Its fine, even mist is perfect for air fryers, grills, and salads. Need a precise stream? A slow press gives you complete control, eliminating waste and mess. Unlike other sprayers, its innovative design is easy to use and keeps the bottle clean, avoiding any contamination. Crafted from durable BPA-free glass, the transparent design lets you monitor levels at a glance, and the wide opening makes refilling a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen with the elegant and versatile TrendPlain olive oil sprayer. Get your 2-pack today.
At number 5, we have the Lifewit Silverware Organizer. Tired of a messy drawer? This practical solution features 6 spacious compartments, perfect for all your utensils. The durable BPA-free plastic and transparent lid keep your silverware dust-free and visible at a glance. Its versatile design is perfect for drawers, countertops, or pantry shelves, maximizing your storage efficiency. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, helping you maintain a hygienic kitchen. Transform your kitchen into a clutter-free space with the Lifewit Silverware Organizer.
At number 6, we have the GOTHAM Steel Stockpot. Its innovative twist and lock lid lets you drain pasta and vegetables safely. No colander needed. Simply twist to lock for a safe, spill-free pour. The ergonomic handles stay cool and comfortable. Live healthier with the ultra nonstick ceramic coating, reinforced with diamonds for scratch resistance and effortless food release. And when the cooking's done, cleanup is a breeze. The entire pot and lid are dishwasher safe. From pasta and soups to seafood boils and stews, it's the versatile pot that does it all. Get professional level convenience every day.
At number 7, we have the Juilist juicer machine. It's compact yet powerful, offering a higher juice yield at a lower price with its 800W motor. Plus, it's designed with 3 key safety features for your peace of mind. And get this, it can juice 400 milliliters in just 8 seconds. And that's incredibly fast. The perfect relief from a hectic lifestyle, helping you enjoy more moments together. With 3 speed controls, you can customize a wide variety of healthy juices. And cleanup is a breeze. It's even dishwasher safe. The Juilist juicer offers excellent value for healthier homemade beverages, effortless, powerful, and compact.
At number 8, we have the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater transforms food preparation into a faster, safer, and more enjoyable experience. Featuring a smooth hand crank mechanism and multiple blades, it effortlessly grates cheese, slices vegetables, shreds carrots, chops nuts, and prepares countless ingredients. The powerful suction base locks securely onto countertops, and by keeping hands away from the blades, it greatly reduces the risk of accidental cuts. The detachable components are easy to clean and store, making it an excellent addition to busy kitchens. Its durable construction and versatile performance make meal preparation significantly quicker and more convenient.
At number 9, we have the Hunnibi glass honey dispenser. Tired of sticky honey jars and messy countertops? This elegant dispenser is here to help. Its precision trigger mechanism gives you a smooth, controlled flow, eliminating unwanted dripping and wasted honey. It's perfect for honey, maple syrup, or even chocolate sauce, adding a touch of sophistication to any meal. Crafted from durable glass, it's easy to refill, simple to clean, and looks great on any countertop. Upgrade your breakfast experience with the Hunnibi honey dispenser. Clean, convenient, and beautifully designed.
At number 10, we have the AccuSharp knife sharpener. Tired of dull knives slowing you down? This trusted tool restores sharpness in just a few gentle strokes. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it safe and easy for everyone to use. It works on both straight and serrated edges, improving cutting accuracy and reducing effort. It's even an all-time favorite from America's Test Kitchen and is proudly made in the USA. Keep your knives sharp and your kitchen safe. Get the AccuSharp knife sharpener today.
At number 11, we have the glass tea mug with Infuser. The Dopudo glass tea mug is an elegant choice for tea lovers. Crafted from thick, durable borosilicate glass, it's designed to withstand high and low temperatures while providing excellent clarity. Watch loose leaf tea and blooming flowers unfold beautifully as they steep. With a generous 17.6 Oz capacity, it's perfectly sized for home, office, or a relaxing break. The stainless steel infuser features fine laser-cut holes to prevent small particles from escaping for full flavor. The multifunctional lid also doubles as a drip catcher. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the crystal clear glass adds a sophisticated touch. It's microwave and dishwasher safe for easy, everyday use. Overall, the Dopudo glass tea mug is an excellent combination of style and functionality, a wonderful gift for any tea enthusiast. At number 12, we have the Ziliny 2-set wicker bread baskets. They combine attractive presentation with practical food storage, making them a versatile addition to any home. The transparent roll-top lid protects food from dust, while keeping contents visible and accessible. With a generous storage capacity, they're perfect for breakfast, parties, picnics, and other gatherings. From BBQs to picnics, they're ready for any event, keeping your food protected and beautifully displayed. The Ziliny wicker bread basket set offers the perfect balance of style and functionality for your home.
At number 13, we have the Shoxil pancake batter dispenser. Tired of messy batter and uneven pancakes? This dispenser makes everything cleaner, faster, and more consistent. Built with durable, rust-resistant stainless steel and a squeeze handle for perfect control over every pour. Switch between 4 nozzle sizes for pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and even fun funnel cakes. The possibilities are endless. With a handy stand and dishwasher-safe design, cleanup is a breeze. Get more precision and less mess with Shoxil.
At number 14, we have the raised cutting board with folding legs. Tired of hunching over your counter? This innovative board elevates your workspace to a more comfortable, ergonomic height. Its smart design features sturdy folding legs and a curved edge for easy food transfer. Cut directly into a bowl for less mess and more efficiency. No more scrapings! Made from 100% premium, sustainable bamboo, it's both durable and gentle on your knives. And cleanup is a breeze. The non-toxic surface is easy to wash and maintain. When not in use, the legs fold flat for easy storage. The Salabarpro raised cutting board is the ultimate kitchen upgrade.
At number 15, we have the stainless steel meat injector kit. The Ofargo stainless steel meat injector kit is an excellent tool for home cooks and BBQ enthusiasts who want to add deeper flavor and moisture to meat. With a 2 Oz capacity, it allows marinades and sauces to be distributed directly into the interior of turkey, chicken, brisket, and more. Constructed from food-grade stainless steel, It features ergonomic large rings for a comfortable, controlled grip. The unified barrel design prevents leaks, and the kit includes multiple needles for versatility with different marinades. Achieve juicier, more flavorful results at home with Ofargo.